So it's been a while. Hi. As you can probably tell, I've moved. I thought we would do a little life update video and just take you on a day of filming in my new space. So what happened is probably what you're wondering. This is like what, the fourth video I've done for you guys that's like, I've moved, life update. I went through a breakup and then I stayed in the house for a while and then I just felt like it was too big. It also felt like very empty. Like it was just me and the dogs, and it was a lot, and it was haunted, so there's that. But no, it just felt like there was so much space and way too much space for one person, and also with inflation, I just couldn't afford to live there anymore. So I decided to move. Oh, the other thing too, in case, I don't think I have done a video in so long that you guys even know that 2 of my dogs died. So that was another reason why I wanted to leave the house. So Mr. Fredrickson, I had to put him down in October. And then Kevin tragically died in his sleep a month later. So it was not a great second half of the year. So it was ready to leave the place. It took me about almost 3 months to find a place to live because Toronto is wildly expensive. And now we're here. Once everything's like up and decorated the way that I wanted to and it's done, I'll give you guys a little house tour. Here we are. The move was a mess. All the stuff didn't fit in the truck. The van broke. We had to run across the city to get a new van. And then while my landlord was on her way over to get the keys from me and do like a walkthrough, the back door completely came off the hinges and I couldn't close the door. It was a nightmare. I think I slept for 2 days after that. Then I got the flu. So I pretty much slept in boxes for 2 weeks. It was great. You know what though? The first night there was like the most calm, serene, most rested sleep I've had probably in a year. So great sign. Now it's just, you know, me and Harley and Winston again. It's back to us 3, but it's been fun. Finding a new place has been inspiring. If you follow me on TikTok and Instagram, you know that I have a brand new format of doing cooking videos where essentially I talk about my unfortunate dating experiences and spill the tea on all my exes and probably more things about me that are maybe shocking to you. So if you're interested in that and learning more about me, I do realize I've been a little closed off for a while. Now I'm sharing again. But yeah, essentially that's kind of a life update. Still in Toronto. Different space, new content. Very excited for this year. I don't know really what I'm gonna do on this channel yet. YouTube has just kind of been put on the back burner for a little bit, but I'm really liking filming these like vlog style videos. So let me know if you like them and maybe I'll do more of that. You know, keep it kind of like calm and serene, something that's like super calming to watch. And then of course I'm gonna be putting up all my shorts. So if you want to see the spill the tea videos, I'm gonna have them on shorts here as well. Back to whatever it is that I'm doing now.
Good morning. It is 6 o'clock. It is shoot day. I would rather be asleep. Welcome to today's vlog. I have really bad ADHD, so I have to take Vyvanse and Wellbutrin for that every morning, but I find that it makes it really difficult for me to eat throughout the day. So before I take that, I'm gonna have one of these Nature's Flare muffins. They're so good. They're my favorite vegan muffins. They're like so moist and delicious. They have a bunch of different flavors, but this one is the cranberry and lemon, I think. Oh my God, they're so good. I could eat all of these in one sitting, honestly. Okay, I need to stop fucking around and get ready before Mars gets here. Already did my skincare. My skin's actually looking really good. As someone who grew up with really bad acne and has been like struggling so hard with skin, it actually looks kind of amazing. So when it comes to makeup, I've really pared down my makeup routine to just like a couple products. I used to put so many products on my eyeballs and my skin and just, you know, I want it to be a little bit more subtle. I'm using the House Labs foundation, which I'm totally obsessed with. I just got it. I watched so many TikTok videos about it and was like, let's see if it's living up to the hype, and I love it. I have really, really textured skin, and I love the way that it sits on my skin. It's flawless. If you have textured skin, don't use any products that say luminous or dewy. I find that it always looks really shiny and really shows my pores and shows my texture really badly. So I totally forgot on me curling my hair, but it's curled. It looks very Shirley Temple. I like to leave them to set until they're cooled, and then I'll brush them out. So I do the rest of my makeup while I wait for that to happen. Ooh, that's not helping anybody. I did my brows kind of. I used the Anastasia brow freeze, so I'm just waiting for that to dry. Foundation's done. I did a cream bronzer and blush, and now I'm gonna go over it with powder, because for shoots, your skin can look really oily, and I already have oily skin, so I have to add lots of powder. And for bronzer, I like to use a little brush. Charlotte Tilbury, blend it. Great. And now, some blush. Charlotte Tilbury, looks like that. This is the makeup. And then I'm gonna take my hair out and just run my fingers through it, and then put in some hairspray. Voila. What do you think? So this is Eric. He's my amazing camera guy, and we have this Just Egg thing that we're doing today. So we're gonna go to 7-Eleven and eat some food. Okay, so because I have to shoot this brand deal today, obviously the breakfast sandwich will be my breakfast. So let's go get it. Okay, so they're in the fridge. I grabbed a couple. Let's take them home and taste test them. I've got a lap full of sandwiches. This one's mine, and this one's Eric, and this one's Molly's, and this one's Mars's. Yay, breakfast for everyone. Okay, so we just drove by this place. It's a roasted nut place, and it's the Nuttery, and I was like, how did this stay open during the pandemic? Who's buying roasted nuts? And then they saw that they had vegan gelato, so I take everything that I said back. That's why you don't make fun of things you don't know about. Okay. We put it in the microwave. Now we're gonna taste test it for the video. And I got one for everybody. So Molly has one, Eric's gonna try it too. Okay, so we just filmed the taste test. This is what it looks like after it's been heated up. It's so good. This is perfect for road trips, busy mornings, after the bar, because 7-Eleven is open 24/7. So how exciting for us. Love a good breakfast sandwich. I guess maybe they aren't just working with planters, so maybe that's why. And we've got some meds in the house. Woo, mental health. I gotta take those right now, actually. Oh, Harley. Let the humans eat their breakfast. You already had breakfast, you little shit. Okay, this cheese is insane. That's good. All right, so we're shooting another brand deal, and I'm making a lasagna for this one. We're making a nice sausage and mushroom lasagna here with a bechamel. Tasty. All right, so we just shot this lasagna. It looks so good, and I'm just doing a little table setup for photos. So I don't actually use real backdrops. I just use these paper ones because they're easier to store and they look real. One of my favorite things to make is lasagna, and look at this one, it looks so good. Yum. This is actually my favorite part of the day. Filming is fine, sorry Eric, but styling the photos and taking the photos is my favorite part. A lot of it's just moving things around until you get what you want. Okay, so we just shot this video for a new vegan cheese company, and it's so good. This is not my first reaction, this will be my second, but it's so cheesy, so melty. I mixed mozzarella and parm together, in the bechamel and then in the layers, and wow. So bomb. Plus, who doesn't love sausage and mushroom? I do. Nom 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 nom. that was the longest day ever. I just took all my makeup off, got super comfy. I'm gonna go to bed. I'm actually like too tired to eat. On shoot days, I find that I can't really eat dinner because I've been eating like all day. I've been picking at food and blah, blah, blah. So I'm gonna crawl into bed and watch something on my laptop and probably doom scroll for 1 to 2.5 hours and then go to sleep. Bye.